120 meters. That's all it takes to walk into late Joseon history. This is King's Road, where a royal escape route and a vanished sacred shrine meet. Before you even step onto the road, you see this wide open area. This used to be the Seonwonjeon zone, one of the most sacred places in the palace. Seonwonjeon was a royal shrine where portraits of past kings were enshrined, and rituals were held. It was first built in 1897, burned down in 1900, and rebuilt in 1901. But in the 1920s, during the colonial period, the buildings were demolished, and the area was repurposed. In 2011, this area came under Korea's heritage authorities. And excavations in 2021 to 2022 were carried out to prepare for reconstruction. So this empty place is actually a site getting ready to return. And now, the mood changes. This narrow passage between stone walls is Gojonggil, only 120 meters long. A short walk, but packed with history. In 1896, after the Agwon Passion incident, King Gojong took refuge in the Russian legation. This route is believed to reflect the path he used when moving between the legation and Deoksugung. Walking here feels like stepping into the diplomatic tension of late Joseon. And this path keeps going, toward Jeongdong Park, where the Russian legation once stood. On one side, the sacred Seonwonjeon zone. On the other, a king's diplomatic escape route. Seoul hides layers, and sometimes the biggest story is only 120 meters long.